You need to take fast action on certain things happening with your campaigns, like for example ACOS growing. So in 1 minute, I've built an alerting system that can notify you via mail if something is wrong with your campaigns. Let me show you what's happening here. This is the email I just got, and it's showing me campaigns that I've set a threshold of 20%, and I see that one of them is now showing higher. So I'll need to go and take a look what's going on. Let's say you don't know which 5 campaigns you want to pull, right? I connected DataDoe to Claude Code and asked to give me my top 5 performing campaigns and their names. It asked me the seller account that I want to use. I pointed that I wanted to use the British account. Now, it gave me those 5 campaigns. I wanted to show me the ACOS for these campaigns. It showed me ad spend, ad sales, and calculated the ACOS. What's going on from here is that I want to send an alerting system that will send an email to me if any of these ACOS go over 20%. I want this to run daily at 3 p.m. What happened here is Claude Code for about 1 minute, and it's creating this recurring routine that checks, automatically created already the script and set up the automation that daily at 3 p.m. to run, and it will pull all of my Amazon data regarding those campaigns. It will check the ACOS. It will check if I'm above or below the threshold, and if I'm above, it will send me an email. Actually, it will send me an email regardless, just knowing that everything is okay. They like the one that you can see here. If you want to set up something like this for yourself, you can do it for free now using DataDoe. The link will be in the description below, as well as more instructions on what skills you can use in order to create automations using Claude Code and DataDoe. Thank you.